Hello and welcome. Today we're going to learn how to greet people and introduce ourselves in English. We'll listen to some fun clips from friends, and most of the greetings are informal, but they're still very useful and everyday English.
Oh, Mike's here.
Oh, hey, Mike. Hi, David. Chandler. Monica. Oh.
Hi.
Hey.
Joey. Hey, you guys. Hey. Okay, you're not going to believe. Hi there.
Hello. Welcome to Lavender Day Spa. How may I help you?
Hi. I have a massage appointment under Rachel Green.
In English, we can greet people in different ways. Hi and hey are very common when talking to friends. Hello is a little more formal, but still friendly. In Friends, the characters often use hi or hey because they know each other well. You can use all three when you meet someone. Let's try them together. Hi, hey, hello. After we say hi, hey, or hello, we often ask how the other person is doing. We can also say it's nice to meet you when we meet someone for the first time. In this next clip, listen for questions like how are you or how have you been? And notice how the people respond.
It's nice to meet you, Rachel.
Nice to meet you.
Call me.
We will.
Nice to meet you.
Hi, honey.
Hey, look, I brought a friend home for dinner. This is Zach from work.
Oh, of course. It's so nice to see you again, Zach.
You too. You guys haven't actually met before, but boy, you're both polite. Why don't you have a...
So how have you been?
I've been pretty good. Empty.
Hi, you guys. What's going on? Do you guys want to hang out? Or?
In this clip, we heard several ways to greet someone after saying hello. How have you been? This is for someone you already know when you haven't seen them for a while. It's nice to meet you. This is what you say when you first meet someone. It's good to see you again. Use this for a person you already know after some time apart. What's going on? This is another friendly, casual way to start a conversation. These are all friendly, informal ways to connect with someone when you see them. And sometimes, like in the show Friends, they like to use a little bit of humor too. In this next clip, we'll hear people introducing themselves and introducing others. Listen carefully to how they say someone's name and how they greet the person. This is a very useful part of everyday English, especially when meeting new people.
Hi, I'm Ross Geller.
Oh, hi. I'm Professor Wheeler.
Oh, that's nice.
It's good to meet you. Thank you so much for taking the time out to show me around.
Oh, no, it's no big deal. I mean, if I weren't doing this...
Hi. Glad you could come.
Please come in.
Hi, you're Chandler Bing, right? I'm Tom Gordon. I was in your class.
Oh, yes. Let me take your coat.
Oh, hey, you guys, this is Charlie. Charlie, this is Phoebe, and my sister, Monica.
Hi.
Yeah, Charlie's going to be joining my department.
Oh, you're a paleontologist, too. Oh, okay.
Decaf. Okay, everybody, this is Rachel, another Lincoln High survivor. This is everybody. This is Chandler and Phoebe and Joey. And you remember my brother Ross? Sure.
Hey.
Hi.
Hey, Ross. This is one of my co-stars, Dirk. Dirk, this is my good friend Ross.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Hey, so what show you on?
Oh, I'm not an actor.
In this clip, we saw two common ways to introduce people. Introducing yourself, you can say I'm and then your name, or my name is and your name. For example, I'm Ross. Introducing someone else, you can say this is and their name, or I'd like you to meet and then their name. For example, this is Charlie, like we heard in the clip. When you meet someone for the first time, it's polite to smile and say, nice to meet you. These phrases are short, simple, and very useful when meeting new people. Now let's look at how people say goodbye. In this last clip, you'll hear different ways to say goodbye in English, like see you later or see you tomorrow. These are all great ways to end a conversation. Can you spot the different ways these friends say goodbye to each other? Let me know in the comments.
No, it's just tiring having to figure out the age at which all my grandparents died. I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay.
I'm there. We'll see you guys.
Okay, bye.
See ya.
Okay.
So, shall we?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Good night.
Bye.
Night.
Okay, good night.
Good night, Ross.
Okay, we better go. Yeah? So we'll see you guys tomorrow.
All right, let's do it. 5-hour flight.
In this clip, we heard lots of different ways to say goodbye, like see ya, see you tomorrow, good night, bye, see you guys, we'll see you tomorrow. Did you catch how many different ways people say goodbye? Let me know your answer in the comments. Okay, we've reached the end of the lesson and I hope you enjoyed it. Keep practicing your English every day and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!